I have the OnePlus Watch 2. Let me show you how to check or how to see the serial number of this watch. Now this is very simple. Just go to settings. The easiest way is to swipe down and tap on this settings icon. That takes you to this main settings page. Now while you're here, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on other, and then scroll down until you get to about watch. Tap on that, and here you should see information about your watch, including the name, operating system, model, status, all that stuff. So here is where you can see the model number and the model name. But if you go back one step and scroll even further down, you should see the serial number of your watch. So that is basically how to see or how to check the serial number of your OnePlus Watch 2. And of course the model number and operating system version. Thank you for watching and good luck.